Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a horizontal video over on the VideoStar app. So in order to do that, what you need to do is open the VideoStar app, and once you're here, go to the top right corner of the screen, click on that plus icon, and then right here it's really important. What you need to do is you need to make sure to set a video format. So currently it will always be set to basically horizontal, however it may also be on vertical for some reason, so just make sure you have the first option, which is horizontal, which is basically YouTube type size basically. So yeah, what you then need to do is click on edit video, and once you've done that, what you need to do is go and select a video you want to actually start editing. And yeah, that's, as you guys right now can see, it's currently in horizontal mode. However, because my video I imported is vertical, you can see it looks a bit weird, but yeah, I can actually just basically use this entire field right here in order to edit my video. So that's how you can create a horizontal video over on the VideoStar app. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.